not possible. He cannot do that. Allow that here. How dare he damn in this house? For what? Who is he?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Mama, I am not ashamed of anything. Mama, one Emeka because I will kill him. One Emeka because I will kill him in this house. He shouldn't dare me again.
Can you listen to yourself, Edozie? No, listen to yourself. Go and wake and see. You want to kill your own younger brother.
Don't try it. You've lost your senses.
Are you mad?
Don't dare it. Kill all of us. Kill both of us.
Oh my
God. So that you and your wicked wife will take over Nollywood's house.
Who do you get me?
Who do you get me? Kill all of us.
Mama,
kill both of us.
Mama, stop this. Mama, why are you beating my wife now?
You're asking me.
Mama, I'm not talking about this show. I'm not talking about this.
You know what it is? For somebody's husband to be missing. My husband's coat is missing. And you're here talking nonsense.
Mama.
You're because of all this nonsense.
Mama.
Because you've never for one day give your husband one good advice.
Yes.
Mama. Mama, stop. Okay, this is how you want it. This is how you people want it. This is how you people want it in this house.
This is what you want.
Okay, remember no long.
Better.
No one should cross my path.
No more.
No meko.
No meko.
Remember no long way. When you cross your path,
in fact, from today, you are not my son.
Yes.
I have only one son.
Yes, have one.
Emeka is my son.
Have one.
Yes.
Have one. Mama, if anybody cross my path from today, if anybody cross my path from today,
I am looking for my husband's cup. Provide it.
Darling, I don't like what is happening in this family. We have to look for a solution before it gets out of hand.
Things are getting out of hand already. You were there when my mother said I'm no longer her son. So?
I am still bothered. With the way they are sounding about it, it's as if it's true.
I'm yet to get that stupid man called Ozu. What I'll do to him, he will regret his life. By getting himself involved in this.
But why would the mortuary attendant conspire with someone to say that you moved your father's corpse? I am suspecting conspiracy here, you know.
Say again, Lilo.
The way the whole thing looks, the way they're going about it is as if it's true.
What do you mean by that statement?
What I'm trying to say is that the way they're painting the picture, it makes it look like it is real, it is true.
Wait, are you trying to say that what they're saying is true?
That's not what I am saying, my husband. I just said that it looks like.
I am done with this conversation. I do not want to hear any word from you again. Allow me to handle the issue, okay?
Why are you sounding as if I'm accusing you of something else or anything? Your problem is our problem. We should solve it together.
Allow me to solve it myself. I will handle it.
Let us unite and look for solution.
That is his wife. That is his wife. Where's your husband? Huh? Where is your husband?
Has it gotten to this extent?
It has passed this extent. Alright? Safeguard. That man is a criminal. He might come from anywhere. If you see him, you shoot him. Where's your husband?
What is going on?
Officer, please come with me. Well, excuse me.
Emeka,
I told you all that I would deal with Edozie today. Come with me.
Police.
Edozie, move.
Police.
Move.
Emeka,
Move.
go there.
Mama, let him go with me to the police station first of all.
Demaka, my brother.
Move. Move him.
He called police.
This is just the beginning.
Arrest him. He called police for him.
This is just the beginning. You're lucky I did not call army for you. If not, by now, they would have been beating you mercilessly. Move this man inside the car.
I'll come back.
You will come back for who? You will come back for who? My friend, move in. Criminal, a ritualist, a killer. Mama, hey, allow me. Allow me. Allow me.
I'm going to come back for you. And when I'm back,
You will not do anything. You will not do anything. Enter inside. Block him. Block him. Shoot this man if he misbehaves. You are coming back from where? Where do you think you come back from? You'll be there. They'll deal with you.
Wait.
If you call your husband
You
again,
want to follow them and
if you call your useless husband again, you will join them. You will join him.
provide my father.
Emeka, not gotten to this extent. Emeka,
Baba,
I told you when it starts happening, you avoid me.
yes, let him go and bring my father out.
Mabiko, Biko, have my.
Leave him now.
Go,
Mama, why you
go,
doing like this?
go.
Leave him. He's your husband though. Mama, it's your husband that is missing.
but he's my son.
You will join them. Oh. You will join your husband now. If you hit my window again, I will bring you inside.
Emeka,
If you touch my car again, you will join them.
Yes, so space today.
Emeka,
If you want to follow, enter.
This is just the beginning. After dealing with you today, you will know that I'm a city boy.
Mama, please. Now let us settle this thing now. It has not gotten to this extent. Mama, please now.
Bye-bye.
Mama,
Very
please stop
good.
and talk to them, Mama.
What do you want my mother to talk about? What do you want her to talk to them about? Your husband should go and provide my father if he wants to come out. If not, he's going to kulele for that place. You see that place? Kulele. Go bed, eh? Mama, don't cry. That's the one that's paying me now.
My dear, there is fire on the mountain. As I am talking to you, there is no single peace in this house. Can you believe that Emeka had the guts to arrest his brother today? He arrested Edozie, my husband, today. This is a very serious matter. I am so pained. Please, I'll call you back.
Joanne, can I have a word with you?
Yes, you can.
Can I sit?
Yes, you can sit.
Thank you. Joanne, you are my elder brother's wife. We married you into this family. So you're part of this family, automatically. Things are getting out of hand. You have eyes. You can see. You can actually help me resolve this whole drama that is going on in this peaceful family. I want to ask you a direct question. And in return, I want you to be truthful to me. Please, Chinwe, can you tell me where your husband, my elder brother, kept my father's corpse? If you tell me this, I am okay.
And why would you think your brother would be doing anything extraordinary with your father's corpse?
I'm not thinking about that. The mortuary attendant told me in confidence that my elder brother, your husband, moved our father's corpse out from the mortuary.
And what if the testimony is not true? What if?
Chinwe, I can see you both have hardened your heart towards this matter. You are not looking at it like a child's play. But you know one thing for sure. The burial must hold. And I, Micheal and Emeka, I must see my father's corpse. Your husband will remain at the police net until he tells us where he kept my father's corpse. So if you think you can cover this whole thing, you better have a rethink. Because me, I must see my father's corpse. Yes, the burial must hold. I know what to do.
My dear, I am so confused. I don't even know where to start from.
This matter, I don't understand. But why would the mortuary attendant accuse your husband of such a crime?
My sister, I don't know. He's the reason why everybody is accusing my husband. But I know him. He can never do such thing. He doesn't even hide things from me.
It's not a joking matter. You need to involve a lawyer. Yes.
A lawyer?
Yes. Don't worry, if you don't have one, I'll give you one. You need to involve a lawyer.
Really?
I will give you one. Don't worry, he's going to help you. At least solve all these problems.
Thank you so much. I will inform my husband about it when I go to see him in the police station.
Okay. Another angle. Why would your husband's brother go this far to arrest your husband? For what?
I don't know. And it's been 2 days already. He has vowed that my husband will remain in the police custody until he finds his father's corpse.
Are you serious? Now you see why I say you need to get a lawyer. This not be play. You must get a lawyer. Ha! Oh. You'll be fine. Don't worry, yeah? I'll give you the man's number.
My elders, first of all, I want to apologize for what happened yesterday. I called for a meeting, but it did not hold due to some circumstances. Please, pardon me.
Emeka, we have heard you. Tell us why you summoned us.
Thank you. My elders, let me just go straight to the point. You all know that today is supposed to be my father's burial. Yesterday, when I went to the mortuary to give the mortuary attendant some clothes, the mortuary attendant told me that my father's corpse was moved out from the mortuary. As I speak with you all today, my father's corpse is missing.
Oh. Aroma. Abomination.
Emeka, continue your story.
Thank you. So when I went further to ask the mortuary attendant what happened to my father's corpse or who moved my father's corpse, guess what he told me? He said that my elder brother Edozie moved my father's corpse out from the mortuary. I thought it was a joke. It's very funny to me.
Chinyelugo, why is all this happening in your absence? This is an abomination. Abomination!
Fine, I went home and I asked my elder brother Edozie where he kept our father's corpse, where he moved the corpse to. He told me that he doesn't know anything concerning my father's corpse. Can you imagine what is going on? Okay, fine. I told him, look at what the mortuary attendant told me, that you came to move our father's corpse 3 weeks after it was deposited by you. So he started shouting, and then we went straight to the mortuary, at least to confirm from the guy that said it. I met Ozo, both of us, I and my elder brother, we met Ozo, the mortuary attendant. Also, the mortuary attendant told my brother in his face that he came to move my father's corpse 3 weeks after it was deposited. He started fighting him. In my presence, So please, I don't know what is going on because today is supposed to be my father's burial. That is why I called you people here to please come and talk to my elder brother. Let him tell us where he kept my father's corpse so we can commence this burial. That's all.
Emeka, if I may ask, why is your brother not here? Why is he not here?
He's at the police station. I locked him up. He's at the police station as we speak.
Chairman, there's no need asking about him. This matter must get to Igwe.
Thank you.
Igwe must hear this.
Thank you. Thank you. That is why I'm here. That is why I'm here, exactly.
Okay. Emeka, just as Akunna suggested, this matter must get to the Igwe.
Let us unite and look for solution.
Are you done with the work?
No. Some women are here to see you.
Are they with any cops?
They say they just want to see you. They don't carry cops come.
Good day. You can take a seat.
Please, I am Edo's wife. The man which you're having issue with concerning the father's corpse disappearance.
Oh. So where are you?
Please, I want you to tell the people the truth. Let them know that my husband has no hand in the father's corpse disappearance.
Will you guys shut up? And who told you I was lying? Okay, wait. Oh, see it. This sign is the evidence that you took his father's corpse away from this motel. Take it away.
Chinwe, is that not your husband's signature?
It's my husband's signature.
Oh. Thank you.
Hey, sir, please. Can we have a copy of it? Please. We really need it. Please, sir. Please.
Hmm?
Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright. Please, patronize me. Next time you're coming, bring cups.
Chairman, the best thing for Emeka is to do as we have agreed. Don't you think so?
He has no choice. He will do it. But I am disappointed. I am disappointed in that young man. Eh? Now tell me, what did he do with his father's corpse?
He may have taken it to these people that buy human parts. Yes! I don't trust children of nowadays.
Right. Well, anything can happen. Eh? Look at evil everywhere.
Hey.
Eh? And the worst is that children of these days can do anything because of money. Ego wa.
Imagine a dozier of all people. Chairman, do you know how much respect I have for this boy? Yes, I had respect for him. I don't expect this from this young man.
Well, trust nobody. Trust nobody. You see, like I always tell you people, that I'm like a white plate. I cannot hide that. So if not a fool like me that has integrity, tell me.
Hey, Chinyelugo. Chinyelugo. Wherever this man is today, he will not be happy.
He will be crying, shedding tears because of his family.
Hey.
And I loved that young man just like his father used to love him. Look at now what he did.
Hey.
let me live. Obotinta, I don't know orange. Let us see how he'll do it.
I'm afraid though.
Afraid? I'm not afraid.
Is that you're going?
I am going.
Hey, chairman, okay now.
I am going.
Bye-bye.
So why did you ask for the photocopy of the results?
We need to confirm the signature now.
Yes, it is my husband's signature, but he did not sign this.
So who now signed it? You said it's your husband's signature.
Yes, I said so, but I don't know what happened. Trust me, my husband cannot do. What is he going to do with his father's corpse in the first place?
You know Mr. Ozo has this receipt. He has the photocopy. You better confirm from your husband if he's telling you the truth too. What if he shows your family people?
I do not want my family people to see it at all. Meanwhile, I know that this is a frame-up.
I bet nobody forged anything. This thing is real. Nobody forged it. You better let him tell you the truth. Else, there will be trouble. I know what I'm saying.
Because of Papa's cause, brother against his brother.
Kalista, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Gee? Did my brother know that you're coming here?
Not at all. We went to the mortuary.
You went to the mortuary? What did you go there to do?
I went to see Mr. Ozo.
Mr. Ozo? Why?
Are you angry that I went there?
Not that I'm angry that you went there, but if my brother Emeka got to know that you went to the mortuary, he might think you went to beg Ozo.
That's not what I went to do. I went to find out the truth. And he gave me this.
What is that?
It has your signature in it.
What?
Tell me, darling, did you sign this?
Ozo gave you this?
Yes. Did you sign it?
Is that not your signature?
Brother against his brother.
Mama, first thing tomorrow morning, I will be at the palace. I will do exactly as the Umuna said. I will meet the Igwe face to face. I will see him, I will discuss with him, I will sit down with him and talk about everything concerning this matter. So tomorrow is the D-Day.
In that case, you have to go to the police station and bail your brother first. Because Igwe will demand to...
I will never try that, Mama. With all due respect, Edozie will remain at the police cell until he is ready to confess.
Yes, now.
Edozie must tell us where he kept my father's corpse. I told him before that I would deal with him. He thought I was joking. Now he's cool enough at the police station. He will not be out until he confesses where my father's corpse is. And that is period.
Mama, Emeka is right. I support my brother. He will remain there and rot in that quickly. Yes, now. I just pray that the Igwe does not ask to see him.
Igwe will never, even if Igwe asks me where my brother is, I will tell him, Igwe, he is unavailable. You cannot see him. Ah. White witch. But will you stop there? Has your husband confessed? Has he confessed? Has he confessed?
Did you see that thing she said?
Chukwemeka, I believe that Chinwe is hiding something.
Mama, that girl knows everything. That girl knows everything that is going on. But you know what? Trust me. I'm very wicked. I'm a city boy. I've been to so many places. I know how these things work. I will deal with this girl personally. You see this little brat? She is very small for me. I will deal with her personally. Her husband is already calling off at the police station. That one is -1. But this girl, if she thinks she's a problem to me, then rethink. Have a rethink, because me, I will kill you myself.
Mama, did you see her face? It's very obvious that she's hiding something. I will go and find out.
Ashele Bakute.
Mama, let me go and... Can you know?
Onyokobia, come here.
My brother is fighting me. He went on to
until the visit to the mortuary this afternoon. What did he do with his father's corpse? I am sure, I am very, very sure that Edozie used his father's corpse for you to ask. Amami, I know that. I know.
Papa, how did you know about that?
You asking me how I know about that? Emeka told us how everything happened. It is very, very obvious. If he has no hand in this, tell me, why will he move the corpse from the mortuary to elsewhere?
I thought Chinwe's husband was being wrongfully accused until the visit to the mortuary this afternoon. What did he do with his father's corpse?
Igwe must hear this, because we've invited him to come tomorrow to Igwe's palace and tell us what happened to the missing corpse.
Papa, if the Igwe finds out that he's guilty, what will happen to him?
If he's guilty, he will face a punishment or probably banishment.
Banishment?
Yes. Because what he committed is similar to that of murder case. And in our land is an abomination.
Chinwe's husband will be doomed once the mortuary attendant presents the form to the family.
By the way, where did you go to? Where did you go to?
Oh, it's... You know, there's this my friend that if you come out like this now, this first street there's this girl that...
And I hope it's not Edozie's wife you visited.
No, Papa.
Because I don't want you to have anything to do with that woman until the truth about the missing corpse is revealed. I have told you. Let me not even set my eyes on her in my house here for any reason. I've warned you.
Yes.
We are done, Ife.
This is my husband's signature. But what could he be hiding? Why would he be lying to me? What does he stand to gain by hiding his father's corpse? It doesn't make sense to me at all.
Chinwe, can you tell me why you are worried? You don't want to talk? Ichoriku.
Mama, do you expect me to be happy? With all the things happening in this family, do you expect me to be happy? My husband spent the night in the police station.
And he will spend more nights there if he doesn't say where he kept my husband's corpse. He will. It is private. Okay. So Wadira. I will be watching. But if it was your husband's corpse that was missing, no be hiding it.
Yes, that is true. That is true.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
You mean you saw our father in your dream?
Yes. And in that dream, he wasn't happy with me at all.
But why?
He said I betrayed him.
How?
I don't know. Papa keeps saying that he will kill me. If I know it, he raised his hand to stab me before my wife woke me up. And I keep wondering why Papa should accuse me of betraying him.
Well, it is if you ask me, I will tell you to relax. It's just a normal dream. It is nothing. Huh? It can be someone's, face. They just use him to manipulate you. And that is it. It's normal. Forget about it.
Do you remember when I told you that Papa wants me personally to be careful and not to take him to the mortuary if anything happens to him?
I remember.
I think he's very angry with me.
Listen, Edozie, you're my elder brother. You should know better. This thing is just a normal dream, a mere dream. It is nothing.
It's not a normal dream. This whole thing seems real until I woke up. You don't understand.
So are you scared? Come on, it's just a dream now. Nothing, it's nothing, You're my big bro. Cheer up.
Hey! I knew it! Nobody can tell me anything. It is crystal clear. Edozie stole my father's corpse. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Edozie stole my father's corpse. No wonder. No wonder my father kept appearing to him in his dreams. Yes, he cannot deny it. Yes. He was so scared. No wonder my father was accusing him of betraying him. Edozie, he stole my father's corpse. Oh, this boy is a criminal. He's a criminal. He cannot deny it. I will deal with it. I must get to the root of this. Yes, every day he kept complaining. My father appeared to you. Daddy appeared to you in your dreams because you are a criminal. You are a betrayer. Why is this short thing calling? Hello?
Hello? Good afternoon, Mr. Emeka.
Good afternoon, Ozu.
Can you come to my office right now?
Oh, yes, sure, I can come to your office. Have you discovered anything?
Get to my office first, I'm waiting.
Alright, I will come. I'll be there shortly. I'll be there. Alright. I have to go there and see. Reverse. Hey! Edozie! Edozie! It is a rap for you. It is a rap for you. Bam, bam, bam.
Brother against his brother. He went on no because of Papa's. Why can't you unite together? And fight this battle together? On the
road. House.
Two heads are better than one. Fight this battle together as one. On the
What's she doing?
Carissa.
You should have told me before coming now. What are you doing here?
Are you chasing me out of your house?
I'm not chasing you. Just go first. I know what I'm saying. Don't let my father catch you here. Just go.
But you don't even know why I'm here.
I don't want to know. Go first. We'll talk about this thing later. Don't let my father catch you. Go now. Just go first. Go. We'll talk later.
Papa, good afternoon.
Hold your greeting. Hold it. Bia Calista.
Papa.
What is this person doing here? Why is she here?
I don't know. I don't know. I was even telling her to go, Seb. I did not call her here. I don't even know why she came.
Calista.
Calista what? Don't call her. Why are you in my house? I have warned you not to come to my house until you and that your husband sort out yourselves. Don't come here and pollute my house. Don't come here. Leave our daughter alone.
Papa, take it easy now.
Shut up.
Papa, my husband is innocent. He hasn't done anything wrong.
He is not innocent. He is guilty. Tell him to confess. He should confess. Say you should go. Go and leave my house. Amusu. You.
Papa.
You.
I was not the one that called her. She was sitting down yet. She just came. I was telling her to go.
Shut up your mouth. Chop. Let me see her here again. Let me see her legs here again. Oh, you're going and go and prepare my food. Chop. Let me see her here again. Amusu.
Why can't you unite together? And fight this battle together.
Yeah, Mr. Ozone. Good afternoon.
You want to sit on a ghost? I know that I'm supposed to ask you to sit.
Sorry. Ghost.
What?
Please sanitize it. Has it gone? Can I still sit? Has it gone?
Yes, you can sit now.
Thank you.
You can sit or nothing is there. Oh, so has your brother accepted what he did?
No. My brother is very stubborn. He's at the police station as we speak, and he has not accepted what he did.
Quite interesting.
So, what about you? Have you come up with anything, any evidence or anything to?
Have this.
Open that favor. What is this? Also, is this not my brother's signature? This is Edo's signature. You mean you have this evidence and you kept it to yourself?
There's time for everything.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, good man. Thank you. Let me just start going. This is okay for me.
Hey, start it.
What are you doing now?
Nothing goes for nothing. 300K and you get 90.
300,000. Before you give me this.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me just give you 50,000.
300K or no.
Hey! Hey, it goes! Hey! It's back here! Hey! Did I kill you?
Am I the one that killed you?
Am I the one that killed you?
Come on, we don't live here.
Get out!
Leave my office. No, sir. I said leave.
I hate ghosts.
Leave.
Get out!
Leave. Come on, leave it.
My brother is fighting me. He went on no matter.
God forbid. This man wants to kill me. He almost killed me. He scared the living daylight out of me. He wants to kill me. At my age, God forbid, he will never see me there again. Let him keep the form. Keep the form. Hey.
Because of Papa's curse, no more peace.
Never in my life. Like
no more joy again.
Why is he calling me? Why is he calling me? Never pick your call again. Evil man. Don't call me again. Don't call me evil man. I will never pick your call.
Everybody is a suspect. They're ready to fight you because of Papa's cause.
Stop calling me. Stop calling me. Evil man.
Callista's father drove me out of their house and asked her daughter to stop seeing me. She's the only friend I have, the only person I share my sorrows with. Edozie, look at what you have cost me.
Are you sleeping? Hey, in Alalola. Sit. Look at you. So this is where you are. You will never have peace. Like husband, like wife. There is no peace for the wicked, though. Then call the Utolumano Kawe. Oh, no, Tamele spy.
I will not have you insult me.
Can you
not have you insult me. I don't want. Mama, leave me alone.
You will see fire.
You're going to hit me now.
I think you're strong.
One reason. Mama, I have had enough insult from her.
What will you do?
Why would you slap my daughter in my presence?
Mama, your daughter has been
in her own
insulting
father's
me.
house.
She has been insulting me and I can't take it anymore, Mama.
Hey! Ashi, liar. Ashi, one answer. In a shash, Mama is like she's the one that is beating me.
Because you can beat her. Listen, you will not enter this house again. You are going to join your husband at that police cell. That is where you belong. Belong.
Mama, this is my husband's house and I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, yes, lie.
I am going to slap you again.
Yeah. Mama, you are going to do what?
Mama, you are going to do what?
Mama,
ask him you are going to do what?
Mama, leave me alone, Mama. Mama, leave me alone.
What is going on, Mama? What is it? What is going on?
Mama just killed me. Oh, your Jamela is spy. If you see the way she beats me, you think I am the body go team.
It's okay. Is that true?
Yes. And I have told her she is going to leave this house. Yeah. She needs to join her husband at that police cell.
Hey. You look, Papa. Why did you touch my sister? Am I not talking to you?
And what kind of stupid question is that? Eh? Is that question supposed to be for me? You should be asking your sister, not me.
Are you talking to me? No, did you just talk? Did you just talk to me? Like, am I your mate? Are you? I'll slap you. Are you stupid? Hey, leave. What is it?
She's your brother's wife. Now calm down.
Brother's wife, my foot.
She's the leave you beat her up.
Obiara, have marker one. Have marker. Let me just wait. Calm down. Stop. Come back. Leave me alone. So you've grown wings. Eh? You've grown wings in my house. You're not talking back at me and even raising your voice. It's like you're mad. Look at this animal. This little brat. This girl has not even finished secondary school. This girl has not even seen the 4 walls of the university. You have not been to the city. All your life you have been in this village. You're talking to me. Micheal and Emeka. City boy. Look at this small girl. This small girl I feed. Not just her, I feed both her husband. And she's talking back at me.
That is not a criteria for your sister to always insult me. I won't take it again from her.
Fighting each other, we not solve this problem. Let us unite and look for solution.
What happened to you? I've been looking for you. Chinwe. Chinwe, okay, see, just calm down, eh? Calm down, just calm down and talk to me, eh? Chinwe. Chinwe. Wow. Or did the husband's people treat her bad? What did they do to her?
To be honest with you, what your mother and your sister did to your wife's brother is not good. Can you imagine what they did to her? Huh?
Point of correction. He is not my brother. Edozie is no longer part of this family. So next time, please, if you want to address Edozie to me, address him as a friend, because he is no longer my brother.
Will you stop that rubbish? Look, can you listen to yourself? Edozie is your brother. As a matter of fact, Edozie is the member of this family, whether you like it or not.
Are you mad?
No matter what he has done, he's still a member of this family.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? No, are you part of this family? Am I your brother? Are you my brother? How dare you come and tell me what to do? He is not part of this family. Have you forgotten what he did? Have you forgotten?
What did he do? No, I'm asking you. What did he do? Emeka, let me ask you. What if someone framed him up? No, tell me. What if someone framed him up?
Well, you don't know what's happened for this house. Forget about Edozie and the way he walks and people think he's an innocent man. That man is evil. See that boy? That boy is very evil, but he knows that I love my father so much, so I don't joke with that. He must provide my father's corpse, whether he likes it or not. If not, somebody must die, and that must be Edozie. This advice and all this thing you're saying, go and talk to him. Let him bring my father's corpse to me. I don't joke with my father. You know me too well. You know how they operate for Port Harcourt. You know how they operate for... You know how they do my things. If I start to show that attitude now, Edozie will die. He will die. As a matter of fact, I have evidence. I have evidence to prove that Edozie is with my father's corpse, and I will show it. If you want me to show you.
What evidence do you have? I'm asking you, what evidence do you have? Except the nonsense the mortuary attendant told you. Isn't it?
Old story.
Is that your evidence?
Old story. You think it's that one? Huh? Fresh evidence now. I have fresh one, genuine evidence. Don't worry, I will shock you. People think I'm joking. I love my father so much. Nothing will happen to his corpse. He wants to joke with my... That boy is evil. What about that look? You see that he walks like a gentleman. Very devilish, wicked human being. But I will deal with him. Don't worry. Let me make a call now. Hello? Yeah, what's up? I missed your call. Okay. See, I will pay you 150,000 naira. Yes, I want you to come to my house with the evidence by 2 p.m. All right, tomorrow. I will not come to your office anymore. Please. Yes, tomorrow I will send you my house address. I will send you anything you want on your phone. Please, 2 p.m. be here. Don't worry about it. I will send it to you now. You're mad. 150. I will send it. I will send you money, friend. 2 p.m. tomorrow. Send your account number, idiot. 2 p.m.
Who was that?
You're asking me who was that? Wait and see the evidence. No, wait and see the fresh evidence. Then you will know that Edozie is a monster. But Mua, Micheal and Emeka, I will tear him apart. Enter Motomok Moti, I beg. I don't get time to talk nonsense.
2 p.m.
2 p.m. tomorrow, we are here. I will deal with him. Edozie, let him provide my father's corpse. If he doesn't provide it, I will kill him. 2 p.m.
Fighting each other, we not solve this problem. Let us unite and look.
I want you to tell me the truth.
What truth are you talking about?
A dossier. If you do not tell me the truth, I will go back to the house, pack up my things and then go back to my father's house.
Even you, my wife, do not believe me.
Did you do it or not?
You're still doubting me. Why? You want me to accept that I did it, right? Okay. Yes. I did it.
Huh? You did what? Why would you do that?
Because I do not want my father's corpse to be buried. Are you okay now? You're actually pushing me to believe or to accept that I did what I did not do. Why? You of all people.
I'm sorry. I was just confused. I needed to clear some things. I'm really sorry.
I did not do it. I believe someone signed the receipt you brought the last time just to frame me up. You should know that. Anyway, what about the lawyer you told me?
Well, the lawyer, I went to collect the number from Callisto, but she asked me out of her house. As a matter of fact, the father came out and personally asked me to leave his house.
Why?
Because of this same issue. They believe you have a hand in your father's corpse disappearance.
Because of Papa's corpse, brother against
How is he?
brother.
He's not fine. I am not fine. My husband is suffering for a crime he did not commit.
Do you think he was framed up?
This is more than a frame-up. They have ended up in destroying my husband's integrity and personality in this community.
When the battle is not yet over. Besides, they didn't have any concrete evidence that your husband did it.
Should I tell him about the mortuary receipt, or I should just keep it to myself?
Don't worry. I will speak to Emeka. He has to get your husband released from that cell, so we can settle this amicably.
He is bent on dealing with my husband. Besides, do you have any lawyer, please? I need a lawyer.
For what? You want to charge the case to court?
Not exactly. I just want my husband released from that dungeon. Please.
It's all right. I'll help you get a lawyer. But first, you have to wait for me to speak with Emeka first. Okay?
Okay.
Come out! Come out and face me if I will not shoot you to death right now. Are you crazy? Come out! Thunder fire you.
Will you stop this madness?
Wake
and put that gun away?
Put what gun away? Eh? Put what gun away? What do you worry yourself? Eh? Don't you know how we run things in the streets? Don't you know how to do things in the city?
But you are taking this.
Guy,
I don't like it.
This is my father I am talking about. I love my father so much. If he thinks he's not guilty, let him come out and face me. This useless man inside there is claiming strong. He's claiming a powerful man. Let him come and challenge me now. No, let him come. If I will not drop him dead. Come out. Micheal. Micheal.
You know what is ahead of us.
I don't care what is ahead of us. At this point, Mama, I do not care whatever is ahead of us. Let him come out and tell us where our father's corpse is. Eh? What are you even talking about? What are you even talking about? No, let me ask you, Mama. This man in question, is he not your husband? Is he not your husband? You, is he not your father? Am I the only one insane here? I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't you know him? Don't you know this man? The only thing I want right now is for him to come out and tell us where he kept our father's corpse. Simple and short. If he comes out and tell us now, over.
Emeka.
Over.
Emeka, you will not listen now. She don't want to listen, Okwaya. Ogini Nemegi, can't you see our mother?
Listen, I don't want to listen to anybody. Right now, I'm mad.
Ogini Nemegi, can't you listen?